Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Kautilya IAS. So guys, if you are new to the channel, first make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. So guys, in this video today we are going to be talking about best notes for management optional. So without any further ado guys, let's get started with the video. So guys, like I always say, choosing the correct optional is of immense importance for an IAS aspirant guys, and in this regard guys, a lot of aspirants do the mistakes of panicking and choosing their graduation subject right away without even going through the list of subjects. And I think guys, this is not at all recommended, because it may happen that later on you will realize that okay, maybe I would have scored better in this subject even though that is not the subject I have taken in graduation. Even you, if you go through the videos of toppers guys or ask people around who have cleared this exam, that many of them actually in fact clear this exam with the help of a subject in which they did not do in the graduation. So what does that tell you guys? That tells you guys that the scoring potential is very different when it comes to an exam like the UPSC exam. So in this regard guys, I always say that please choose your optional very carefully guys, and the one thing that is going to be really helpful for you is guys good quality notes or good quality study material guys. Because let us suppose that you have taken a subject in which you have zero knowledge, that is you are going to start from scratch. Obviously books are going to help you guys, but then in the books guys everything is written like A to Z. It is not specific to your preparation, isn't it guys? But in the notes guys, it is specific to your preparation guys, and it is written such a way that you get the maximum knowledge and benefit, but then using the least amount of time possible. Because like I always say guys, time is of the essence for an IAS aspirant guys, and you cannot be even wasting a single subject. So in this regard guys, the one name that I would like you guys to keep in your head is Plutus IAS guys. So guys, I don't think like Plutus IAS requires any introduction, because every year guys they prove their worth with their results guys. I mean pretty much every year a lot of students realize their dream of becoming an IAS officer with the help of Plutus IAS. And the one thing that plays the key role in this regard is guys their good quality notes or study material. So guys, some of the key features of the study material is guys that everything is written in a very compacted format, in a very objective wise format. So guys, you don't waste much time. Everything is written in such a way guys that if when you just go through the page once, you will understand all there is to a topic without wasting much time, because time is of the essence like I always say. Second thing guys, it is written by highly experienced faculty members who themselves have cleared this exam, so they know that in what way the student should be learning the various facts about the subject, so that again maximum benefit comes out but in the least amount of time. So guys, because of these two features of the notes guys, the notes act as a very, should I say, useful and powerful source of information for the aspirants. And the aspirants, if they go through the notes, they are pretty much able to finish the syllabus of the optional and then without wasting much time. It's like when they start from the first page and by the time they reach the last page, they will pretty much know everything there is to about this subject, that is in regards to UPSC preparation here, because it is not obviously possible to finish everything about a subject. So for UPSC preparation guys, whatever is sufficient, whatever is required, if you go through the notes of Plutus IAS, you will be able to understand it. And after that, you can just simply go to should I say test papers and test series, which again will be provided by Plutus IAS. So guys, there are one in all place for everything related to IAS preparation. So yes guys, if you are an aspirant guys, and if you are in the lookout for good quality notes for your optional preparation guys, then I would highly suggest that you please check out Plutus IAS, because Plutus IAS is the pioneer when it comes to IAS preparation guys. So yes guys, that was pretty much all in this video. Hope this video has proven helpful for you, and if it did help you even a little bit, then you know what to do. Then please make sure you hit that like button, and also please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep preparing.